Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload high quality videos on YouTube. Very easy guys, very simple settings. Let's launch the YouTube app first. First thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click on the lower right corner and hit on your profile picture. When you're at your profile landing page, I want you to go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. In YouTube settings new update, you have an option which is almost at the center of the menu, which will allow you to change the upload settings. So scroll down and click on uploads. Over here you're able to essentially change the upload quality. You can do full quality, which means if you shoot at 4K, 8K, you can upload at 4K, 8K, okay? This is what this actually means. You can see the progress speed over here, right? The quality from 360 pixels all the way up to full quality. This is how you upload in the highest quality possible. This is how you see someone is actually uploading cinematic, videos. Amazing. Also, you're able to upload over Wi-Fi only because the data, your mobile internet is not so good usually. So this is why sometimes you might upload something that is bad quality simply because the internet quality was bad. So you can simply opt out or opt in for this. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more